Okay, so just an update. Okay naman tayo. So today is a good morning, I would say. And tawag dito. Okay naman so far. We are getting there, no? We're trying to improve as usual every single day. And sabi ko lang so far is productive ko kahapon to the point na napagod ako sa work, which is good. Pero in my opinion, sa output wise, kulang pa rin no? Kulang pa rin. And okay naman, tina-track natin yung morning natin as usual. It's kind of helpful. Kasi it's just kind of helpful, tracking your mornings. Kasi yun talaga yung big factor eh. And nag-edit ba ako kahapon? Hindi ko maalala. Medyo ata. I would say nag-edit ako ng konti. Kaso hindi ko maalala. Nag-edit nga ba ako? Nag-edit ako. Okay, okay, okay. Nag-edit ako konti. No? So, okay naman. Yung end of day ko, actually, meron akong EOD eh. Nandito yun. Ayun, nandito. Okay. So, may EOD ako na hindi ko sinunod as a SOT. So, I would say it's a mid-morning. Kasi I would classify great morning kung ginawa ko yung EOD ko. So, hindi ko siya ginawa. So, that's that. And, anong oras na ako? Anong oras na ba dito? And, yun. So, masasabi ko lang so far is, medyo nag-multitask ako ngayon kasi naghahabol tayo sa oras. Hindi naman ako late nagising pero pinilit kong magising ng tama or what. Like, inaantok kasi ako eh. So, oras pa nagising. So, 5. Okay, work. Okay. Gets. Yun. So, ang tawag dito. Okay naman so far. Again, overall, okay naman. We're improving. And, masasabi ko lang na continue natin to, no? For 1 week. And yung mga bad habits ko pala is medyo nandito na naman pero hindi siya nagte-take over. I would say it's quite tamed, no? It's quite tamed. It's because we have a goal and we just want to, work on yourself, work on stuff. We want to build the things that we need to build and I'm very thankful for that. And actually sahod ngayon eh. So kailangan ko nang tapusin yung mga kailangan pang tapusin. Okay naman. Okay tayo overall. Let's continue this momentum, no? Para ayos naman, no? Everything is moving according to plan. And again, I want to remind myself because usually kapag maayos tayo at nasa momentum, ang unfortunate na nangyayari is nag-over expect na naman tayo sa sarili natin na we expect too much from ourselves and we fail, 'di ba? I don't want to do that. I don't want to put pressure on myself. I don't want to be a perfectionist. Gusto ko at least, just do what I can do in the moment, 'di ba? Just do it. Wala nang stress, walang alam mo 'yun, walang stress. Yeah, walang stress. Yun lang pumapasok sa isip ko. Yun lang ang pumapasok sa isip ko as much as possible. I don't want stress. Just kilos lang, okay? Just move forward. Just move forward. Yun lang, nabablanko na ako. Basta okay tayo today. So this is the third day probably of our tracking. Let me just check. I think it's the third day. So day 3 is quite good. We're going to continue this momentum. Momentum. Yun lang naman.